What's up, traders? My name is Layla, and welcome back to this week's no-nonsense market recap from Bullish Bear. Wall Street cooled off this week as investors took some profits in major tech names, with AI favorites like Palantir dragging on sentiment. Still, beneath the surface, the market's foundation looked remarkably strong. Earnings season is wrapping up on a high note. About 86% of S&P 500 companies have now reported, and a stunning 82% beat analyst expectations, blowing past historical averages and showcasing the resilience of corporate America. The S&P 500 also extended its 6-month winning streak, underscoring the market's momentum. The week's biggest headlines came from a flurry of blockbuster deals and standout earnings. Amazon surged to record highs after unveiling a $38 billion cloud partnership with OpenAI, marking one of the largest AI alliances yet. Kimberly-Clark stunned Wall Street with a $48.7 billion mega merger to acquire Tylenol maker Kenvue, creating a new consumer health titan, generating an estimated $32 billion in annual revenue. Meanwhile, Starbucks struck a $4 billion partnership with Boyu Capital to accelerate growth in China, further cementing its global expansion story. Earnings surprises kept fueling optimism. Snap rocketed higher on stronger than expected results, a $500 million stock buyback, and a $400 million deal with Perplexity AI to integrate conversational search. Eli Lilly soared to 6-month highs after posting robust earnings and securing a landmark agreement with the Trump administration to cut GLP-1 prices, a potential game changer for healthcare access. Spotify also jumped on positive results, while Berkshire Hathaway reported a 34% surge in operating profits and a record $381 billion in cash, signaling huge firepower for future investments. Even amid a government shutdown now tied for the longest in U.S. history at 35 days, economic data came in surprisingly strong. The October ADP report showed private payrolls rising by 42,000, breaking a 2-month losing streak. Meanwhile, the ISM Services PMI climbed to an 8-month high of 52.4, pointing to healthy demand. Futures now price in at a 67% chance of a December rate cut. In corporate, AMD dipped despite beating expectations, with analysts calling the pullback overdone given its strong AI roadmap. Tesla gained ahead of its shareholder meeting, while Roku, ARM Holdings, and Marvel Technology popped on upbeat updates and takeover buzz. Alphabet rose after regulators approved its $32 billion Wiz acquisition, and reports of a new AI rollout helped lift confidence. Nvidia rebounded from early weakness on China headlines, reaffirming its leadership in the chip race. In other news, Uber topped expectations but slipped on profit-taking. Pfizer and Humana delivered solid results with cautious guidance, and McDonald's matched forecasts as same-store sales rose 3.6%. Elf Meat tumbled on softer guidance, Carmex fell after a surprise CEO exit, and Beyond Meat slumped after delaying its results, sparking solvency concerns. In commodities, gold eased from recent highs, while WTI crude drifted lower as weak manufacturing data and OPEC Plus's production pause fueled demand worries. Bitcoin briefly slipped below $100,000 before bouncing back later in the week. Despite the noise, the bullish momentum shows no signs of slowing. Between blockbuster AI deals and record-shattering earnings, Wall Street's late-year rally still has plenty of fuel left in the tank. For more updates, tune in next week as we continue to track the market's every move, and subscribe down below to Bullish Bear for more market recap videos. Until next time, stay disciplined, manage your risk, and remember, bears make money, bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered. See you in the trading room.